Hey, what's up guys, I'm King, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to moving your neck side to side. Okay, let's go. This is about training your neck muscles. So you wanna warm it up first. You wanna go down, up, left, right, and then go around. And when you feel ready, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, you wanna tilt your head to one side. From here, you wanna keep your face facing forward. You wanna keep your forehead staying still, and you're gonna move in your chin like this. Check this out. You see, moving like this, and you're gonna feel something happening right here on your neck. And then from here, you slowly go back to the middle. Do the same thing to the other side. Tilt your head, keep your forehead stand still, your face facing forward, moving your chin like this. Something happened right here, and then you're gonna slowly go back to the middle. Hey guys, when I'm talking about keep your face facing forward, I mean that you don't want this to happen. You see, when you're moving your chin, you don't want to look to the side. You want to keep your face facing forward. Facing forward, your head stands still, moving your chin. By facing forward, you're gonna feel your neck is working. And do the same thing with the other side. Tilt your head, facing forward, forehead stand still, moving your chin. And you can feel the muscle around your neck is working. Okay, now let's repeat the exercise for a couple times. To this side first. Go tilt your head, moving your chin, slowly go back. Tilt your head, moving your chin, slowly go back. Okay, one more time. Go tilt your head, moving your chin, go back. Tilt your head, move your chin, go back. Now I'm going to give you 4 tips to practice. 1. This is about training your neck muscle, unlocking the muscle so you don't want to push yourself too hard. You want to take some time for your muscle to get used to it, to adapt to it. 2. Don't try to get the move in the first time you practice it. You want to do the exercise every time you feel boring throughout the day. When you're boring, you go boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 and keep on doing that. You're gonna get the move in no time. Let me explain. When your muscle knowing how to moving from the side to the middle, it's basically gonna know how to moving from the middle to the side. So when you keep on practice the exercise, before you know it, you're gonna find yourself moving your head side to side. 3 is about your shoulders. And when you first practice, your shoulder kinda messy like this. But don't worry about it, just focus on your neck muscle. And when you can move your neck in isolation, you wanna keep your shoulders straight. And then everything gonna look a lot better. Number 4, the final one. You can make the move look more interesting by using your hand to push your head side to side like this. And you can see it look more interesting, right? And you can go boom, 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 boom. But this is about some chest moving, and maybe I'm gonna talk about it in another video. Okay, if you see this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications on. And okay, that's it. See you next time. Peace.